Hey everybody, welcome to the second lesson in our Adjective Genius course. My name is Thaisi and let's get started. So guys, in this second lesson of our course, let's talk about the definition of adjective and adjective placement. So let's talk about what is an adjective and where do we put it, right? So to start, guys, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So anything I use as a description of a person, a place, a thing, an animal, anything that I can say about those substantives is considered an adjective. Right? We can talk about the size, the shape, the age, the origin, the color, or the purpose of something. Imagine the example of a cat. If a cat is big or small, if a cat is black or white, if a cat is nice or naughty, all those words are adjectives. They can also be used to describe the feelings or the state of mind of said cat. I can say a cat is feeling good, or that a cat is sad today. Okay? So an adjective is basically a characteristic that is temporary or permanent. It's not important if it is temporary or permanent, it is still considered an adjective. Now, in English, where can we put adjectives? Normally, guys, there are two places we can put adjectives, right? They usually go before the noun, but they can also be put after the verb to be. Do you guys remember the verb to be? It's when we say is, are, am, or in the past maybe was, were, or in the future will be. Let's dive in a little deeper. So here is an example of adjective before a noun. Okay? Adjectives can be placed before the noun that they describe. For example, she has a red car. Red describes the color of the noun car. So instead of saying car red, we will flip the order and say red car. Okay? Another example here, guys. The lazy student didn't do his homework. Lazy describes the noun student, and therefore the characteristic is always before, so we have lazy student. Not student lazy, okay? Lazy student. We can also say blue jeans, tall boy, small purse, nice cat, and so on. Characteristic first, noun later. And that is except if you have something after the verb to be. When we have the verb to be in a sentence, the order is a little different. So adjectives, in fact, can be placed after a noun if the sentence includes the verb to be. For example, my brother here is the noun, is our substantive. My brother is happy. My brother is happy. Because of the verb to be over here, our adjective happy, describing the noun brother, is appearing after. Right? Now, why do we use this? Why is happy here? Because it's happy is the complement of the sentence, right? And as the complement of the sentence, it will come in the end, okay? One more example here. Those jeans were expensive. Those jeans were expensive. So in this case, guys, we could actually change a little bit the sentence. We could say, those were expensive jeans. Depending on how you organize the sentence, you will have the adjectives appear before the noun or simply after the verb to be. Okay? So remember to be mindful of the verb to be organizing the sentence or another verb organizing the sentence. Check if the sentence is centered around the verb to be or if the sentence is centered around another verb. The examples that we have here perfectly describe this. In this sentence, she has a red car. Has is our primary verb, our main verb. In this situation, there is no way that the adjective would come after the noun. It will always appear before. Likewise, in the second sentence, we have didn't do. We got an auxiliary verb and a main verb. These verbs are not, in fact, the verb to be. Therefore, in this type of sentence, we will always find an adjective before the noun and not in any other way. Okay? I hope that is clear for you guys. Remember to do the activities and exercises right after this course, and I wish you best of luck. See you in the next lesson. Bye!